What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Find My Way by DaBaby. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description. So once you get done with the video, if you need the guitar tab, jump into the video description, it's there for you. You're gonna start with an A minor chord. It's 002210, middle finger on the second fret of your D string, ring finger on the second fret of your G string, and your index finger on the first fret of your B string. And here you're gonna pick A, G, B, E. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Mute. Then go to a C chord. All you do here is move your ring finger from the G string to the third fret of the A string. Middle finger still on the second fret of the D, and your index finger still on the first fret of the B. And you're gonna pick A, G, B, E. And then mute. So from here you're going to go to an F major bar chord. It's going to be 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Bar the entire first fret with your index finger, ring finger third fret on the A string, pinky finger on the third fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the second fret of the G string. And you're going to pick D, G, B, E, and then mute. So then you're coming to the second fret on your D string with your index finger and your pinky finger on the fifth fret of the high E, and I'm just plucking both of those at the same time once, and then move your pinky finger down to the fourth fret. And technically in the song there it sounds something like, but I'm pretty sure it's a automated software. It's not somebody actually playing the guitar, because that's really hard to play and then with how quickly they're playing it. So it'll work just fine if you just, but the actual guitar part is down, 2 on the B, or 5 on the B, 5 on the E, and then 5 on B, 4 on E, down, down, up, down, up. But it's gonna be much easier to just, and then again that just repeats throughout the entire song. So again, slowly it looks like, there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.